Welcome to my channel. How to fix Arlo Video Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi, step by step. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and connected to the internet. Arlo doorbells work best on a 2.4 GHz network. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the router power cable, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow the router to fully restart. Step 3. Move the doorbell closer to the router. During setup, keep the Arlo doorbell close to your router to avoid weak signal issues. Step 4. Power cycle the Arlo doorbell. Remove the doorbell from its mount or turn off the breaker, wait 1 minute, then power it back on. Step 5. Check Wi-Fi password. Ensure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Avoid extra spaces or incorrect characters. Step 6. Update the Arlo app. Open the Play Store or App Store and update the Arlo Secure app to the latest version. Step 7. Enable location and Bluetooth. Turn on location and Bluetooth on your phone, as Arlo requires them during setup. Step 8. Reset the Arlo Video Doorbell. Press and hold the reset button on the doorbell for 15 seconds until the LED starts blinking. Step 9. Re-add the doorbell in the Arlo app. Open the Arlo app, tap Add New Device, select your Arlo doorbell, follow on-screen instructions. Step 10. Check router security settings. Disable VPN, MAC filtering, or strict firewall settings temporarily and try connecting again. Thanks for watching.